is offer ongoing voting/polling systems with all things in government and court being able to be voted on. Vote for yourself, and you get to vote for everything you want to. Vote for everything you want to vote for. Just sign in to the site, and your percentage of votes on topics go, or just let the candidates decide that you voted for. The technology innovation curve is definitely overdue for an ongoing voting/intricate polling app, allowing all people to vote on all things in government. All things government officials to vote on, and the judges judging, and the courtrooms. So, like, it's perfect for a governor or president's platform because they have that veto bill, so everybody in a courtroom can have a veto on any crime. The second thing I think you need to run as part of your platform is immortality, offering immortality. Consciousness digitization is a basic process complementary to each U.S. service. Expand consciousness out of the mind with surface electrodes on the forehead and above the spine, with lucid dreams as monitors, making consciousness malleable till you see your brain sleeping with sensory deprivation exercises. Infomorph Immortality, the service, and Bill Gates offer you with a mainframe that leads/guides your choices and actions so heavily all that's lost when you pass is a bit of extra light added to your consciousness in your brain that's housed in your brain. Any fallen servicemen want to help me build them a mobile isolation chamber / radio frequency shield for lucid dreams as a monitor, leading all us to Antarctica exoskeletons guided with consciousness digitization apps. Heart valves of the folks going to Antarctica will be donated because they are virtually unnecessary in a frozen state like that. And that will make the second trip free because of donations and gratitude for the heart valve donation. The heart valve demand being flooded now. Conquer dream by using lucid dreams as a monitor every time you wake up, literally heaven on earth. What is the difference between memory of reality and memory of dreams? Anyone want to collaborate on building isolation chambers for us? I need to build radio frequency shields again. What am I supposed to do to create the EMP shock pulses? I tried 3,000 pounds of magnetic force and it didn't work. So I need to create the pulses now, right? To win the presidency, distribute isolation chambers to turn off radio frequencies and invasive technologies that are torturing us and have wasted 50% of artists since 2012. Good strategy is offer ongoing voting/polling systems with all things in government and court being able to be voted on. Vote for yourself, and you get to vote for everything you want to. Vote for everything you want to vote for. Just sign in to the site, and your percentage of votes on topics go, or just let the candidates decide that you voted for. The technology innovation curve is definitely overdue for an ongoing voting/intricate polling app, allowing all people to vote on all things in the government. All things the government officials are voting on, and the judges judging in the courtrooms. So, like, it's perfect for a governor or president's platform because they have that veto bill, so everybody in a courtroom can have a veto on any crime. The second thing that you need to run as part of your platform is immortality, offering immortality. Consciousness digitization is a basic process complementary with any U.S. service. Expand consciousness out of the mind with surface electrodes on the forehead and above the spine. With lucid dreams as monitors, consciousness, now you're to lucid dream, deprivation, and it will be with immortality, service, and you'll get all of you, isolation